Hello, my dear students. How are you today? I am going to talk about, boom, parallel lines. What makes two lines parallel? What makes two lines parallel is pretty easy. If the slopes, remember the slopes, it's y equals mx plus b. If the slopes of two lines are exactly the same, including the sign and all, if they are exactly the same, the two lines are called parallel lines. So let's go to the graph calculator and let's write down an equation such as y equals 2x plus 3. So this is a red line and I want to make a parallel line to that. Same slope. Same slope means my other equation should have 2x. That's the only rule. So the rest, part B part, can be anything. It can be plus 7, for example. The two lines will be the parallel lines. It could be minus 10, for example. Doesn't matter. These two lines will never meet. They will be parallel to each other. So that's the only condition. And let's just go ahead and do lots of examples. And the two lines, we kind of just did that. It's two. This is these are parallel lines. Next, minus 7, parallel lines. Next, there is no number here. They are the same, right? No number, no sign, no number, no sign. But there is one here. They are parallel. 4/5. And I got 4/5 here, parallel lines. And 9/3, 8/3. These are different numbers. These are not the parallel lines. These are not the parallel lines. Next, I got 6.5. It's a decimal number, and 5 is 7.5. Different numbers. These lines are not parallel. How easy, right? Minus 0. I don't even have to read everything else. One of them has a negative sign. The other one doesn't have a negative sign. So, not parallel. 2/3, 6/9. Let's pay attention to this. What does 2/3 equal to? 2 divided by 3 is 0.666666. And how about 6 divided by 9? That is also equal to 0.666. Although I see the different ratio here, but I know the results are the same. These two numbers are equal to each other. So yes, these two lines are parallel lines. Over here, 1/2, 4/5 could be, let's calculate. 1/2 is 0.5, 4/5 is 0.8. No, these are not parallel lines. Next, 1/5, 0.2, possible. Let's just try. 1/2 is 0.5. That is 0.2. No, these two lines are not parallel lines. Next, we have this 2/8. 2/8 is 0.25, 0.4. No, these two are not parallel lines. And we got a very weird number here, but we have to make sure, right? So 0.25 divided by 0.05. That's equals to 5. Look at that. These two seems like a weird numbers, but they are the same equal ratios, meaning these two lines are parallel lines. And 5, 3, not parallel. And we got 1 here, we got 3 here. They are not the same, not parallel. And one of them is negative, one of them is, they are not parallel. Whew, how fast I am. And 2.13, 2.4, they are the same. These two are parallel lines. And negative, positive, They are not parallel. Parallel lines means slopes are the same. Slopes are the same, lines are parallel.